Making delicious homemade pizza starts with the right equipment. The best dough mixer for pizza ensures smooth, elastic dough with minimal effort. Designed for consistent kneading power, it saves time in the kitchen and guarantees professional quality results for every pizza lover. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aucma Pizza Dough Mixer. The Aucma Pizza Dough Mixer is an impressive option for home bakers who want reliable performance, convenience, and versatility in one machine. Built with a 660W high-performance pure copper motor, this mixer provides enough power to handle pizza dough, bread, cakes, and more, while keeping the noise level below 76 decibels for a more pleasant kitchen experience. The 6 optimized speeds with an added pulse function make it easy to adjust the kneading strength for different recipes, ensuring you achieve the perfect consistency whether you're mixing a light batter or a heavier pizza dough. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl offers a generous capacity for large batches, and the dual handles make it easier to carry and maneuver, a thoughtful feature for those who bake frequently. Aucma has also designed the mixer with a tilt head function, allowing quick access to the bowl and attachments, and its stainless steel accents with a blue LED power indicator add a stylish touch to your countertop. It comes with multiple accessories, including a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater, all designed to handle various kitchen tasks efficiently. The included splash guard with an access hatch is another highlight, making it easier to add ingredients mid-mix without creating a mess. This mixer doesn't just perform well, but also looks attractive thanks to its one-layer painted finish that makes it stand out in any kitchen. Number 2. Kitchenaid Pizza Dough Mixer. The Kitchenaid Pizza Dough Mixer is a timeless choice for anyone looking for durability, versatility, and consistent mixing results. Built with a sturdy all-metal construction, this mixer is designed to withstand years of use, making it a long-term investment for your kitchen. One of its standout features is the 59 touch points around the mixer bowl, ensuring thorough ingredient incorporation and smooth, consistent dough every time. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl is dishwasher safe and large enough to handle up to 8 dozen cookies or plenty of dough in a single batch, making it suitable for both everyday baking and larger family needs. The tilt head design gives you better access to the bowl, making it easier to add ingredients or swap out attachments, while also locking securely in place during mixing. With 10 speed options, this mixer provides flexibility for a wide range of tasks, from gently stirring flour into a batter to whipping cream or kneading a dense pizza dough. It comes with essential attachments like a coated flat beater, dough hook, and 6-wire whip, all of which make it a multi-purpose tool in the kitchen. Beyond the basics, Kitchenaid offers over 10 additional attachments available separately, which extend the mixer's functionality to making pasta, grinding meat, spiralizing vegetables, or even making ice cream. The Kitchenaid Pizza Dough Mixer is not only practical but also iconic in design, complementing any kitchen with its classic look and reliable performance. Number 3. ZACME Pizza Dough Mixer. The ZACME Pizza Dough Mixer stands out as a high-capacity, commercial-grade option designed for both home and professional use. With its robust 800W DC motor, durable metal gears, and 11 speed levels, this mixer can handle even the toughest kneading jobs effortlessly, making it perfect for pizza dough, bread, and other dense recipes. The 8.4-quart stainless steel bowl is impressively spacious, capable of mixing up to 3 kilograms of dough at once, eliminating the need for repetitive batches when preparing for large families or gatherings. What sets this mixer apart is its thoughtful design features, such as the LED display and countdown timer, which allow users to monitor and control mixing times with precision. This makes multitasking in the kitchen much easier, as you can set the timer and let the mixer work while you focus on other preparations. The tilt head design ensures that switching attachments or removing the bowl is quick and simple, further enhancing convenience. Another standout aspect is its low noise performance, with operation as quiet as 48 dBA on the lowest gear, and no more than 68 dBA even on the highest setting, offering a more comfortable user experience compared to many competitors. The planetary mixing system ensures that ingredients are thoroughly and evenly combined, covering the entire bowl without the need for manual scraping. Included accessories such as a dough hook, wire whip, and flat beater are all made of food-grade stainless steel and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. The adjustable height feature allows flexibility for both small and large batches. Number 4. HaiiuzHi Pizza Dough Mixer. The HaiiuzHi Pizza Dough Mixer is a versatile and innovative machine that goes beyond basic mixing to include advanced features like an automatic fermentation function. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, it delivers consistent mixing performance for a variety of doughs, making it a reliable choice for preparing pizza dough, bread, dumplings, and other baked goods. One of its unique features is the automatic fermentation mode, which begins immediately after kneading and maintains an optimal temperature between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your dough rises perfectly every time, giving it the ideal texture and softness without the need for constant monitoring. The 7-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is generously sized, accommodating between 300 grams and 2,100 grams of flour in a single batch, which is great for family meals or larger gatherings. The bowl is also detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. The mixer is designed with a transparent lid that allows you to monitor the progress of your dough, while a convenient top-feeding window makes it easy to add ingredients during the process. Additionally, it includes a silicone noise reduction pad at the base, keeping the operation quieter and more stable compared to many other mixers. The sleek design and practical functionality make it not just a mixer, but a multifunctional tool that can simplify and enhance your baking routine. Number 5. Joydeem Pizza Dough Mixer. The Joydeem Pizza Dough Mixer is a smart and practical choice for home bakers seeking both automation and efficiency. What makes this mixer unique is its micro-computer-controlled system, which allows for time presets and intelligent program selection, essentially taking the guesswork out of dough preparation. It even simulates natural manual dough making by rotating and pausing, mimicking the hand kneading process for chewy, well-textured dough. With a 6.6-quart 7L capacity and a 250W motor, it can handle large batches, making it suitable for families who enjoy baking pizza, bread, buns, or dumplings in one go. The mixer is highly efficient, capable of kneading dough in as little as 15 minutes and completing both kneading and proofing in just 45 minutes, complete with a drip alert to signal readiness. Its vertical design and face-up touch panel save space on your countertop while also making it easy to operate. Stability is enhanced by a weighted base and bottom suction cups, which help minimize noise and vibration during operation. Cleaning is also made simple, as the stainless steel mixing bucket and blade are dishwasher safe, while the top cover can be removed to allow for ingredient addition or thorough washing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.